Good evening, guys. You are welcome to Wistech Smartphone Graphics Design Training. Today I'm going to be walking us through the interface of the app which we'll be using for this training. The app is called Pixellab. You can see the app on my screen here. This is the app Pixellab. So you can download the app from the Google Play Store. So let's open the app. Alright, let's go to default. So by default, this is how the interface of the app is going to look like. So I'll be walking us through it. Let's take out this text here, delete. So we'll click this plus sign here. We see text, current date, sticker, shapes from gallery, and draw. So this from gallery is going to allow you import images from your gallery. By clicking it, you see it will take you to your gallery here where you can import images to the app. So let's take one. Use it. Then this text here, current date, gives you current date, sticker, shapes, and draw. So this one here, save as project, it allows you to save your work as project, and then this save as image, it allows you to save the work as an image file. And the share button here, so the share button does the same thing as this save as image. So it allows you save as image, and then this other share sign here. And we have quotation sign here. These quotations, these are quotes recommended by Pixellab, so we don't have anything to do with this for now. And here, this three dots here, we have use image from gallery, which is the same thing as the import image from gallery there. Then this full screen, the full screen here is actually preview, so you click it to preview your work. You can see it. And here we have use image from camera. The use image from camera allows you to snap object and use it in your work area. And this export image is the same thing as a save as image. And then image size. So this image size is not the size of an image you brought to your work area. This is actually the size of your work area. So let's change it and see. Here let's choose YouTube thumbnail. So this is YouTube thumbnail. Okay, this is YouTube thumbnail. Now you can see that the size of the work area has been changed. So let's change it back to the normal one, which is square. Now we were before, right? So this is the square. Then here you see recover auto save. So this app saves your file for you. When you close the app, it saves the file in matter of some minutes. So like maybe you accidentally close the file or something happened and the file closes, auto save helps you save it. So here we have open.plp. This open.plp is actually the files you've worked on before, the saved ones. And back the okay, that is all. Here this arrow here takes us back. This arrow here, and this is zoom. So by clicking this, you drag it with two of your fingers and you can be able to zoom the page. So this one here, this line here allows you to align your text, actually grid. So but if you have many text here, I say hello, alright, hello, welcome to class. Alright, and you want to align this here. So by using this line, you can properly align it. So that is the work of it. And this button here, this one opens it shows the files you've imported to the work area. So you can see all the things you've imported here, the image here, and this is the text in the workspace. So and by clicking this dot here and drag, you can actually drag the object behind each other. So that is the work of that one. And this is delete button here and edit there. And then here we have the edit button, the delete, the copy, which you actually copy it, like duplicate it, and to front, to back. You have position here, You have relative position, which will position the object in relative to the page. So here we have the middle, we have the left, the right, and the rest. And then here we have size, which will increase the size of the object. We have padding here. We have color, which will add color to the object. Let's add some color, change it to black, red. Okay, let's go black. Right. And here we have texture. It enables us to add image to our text by using texture. So here we have opacity, which reduces the opacity of the object, like it fades it. So that is the work of opacity. And here we have rotate, which enables you to rotate the object. So this is rotate. And we have mask here. So let's write mask. Yes. So what a mask does is that it masks out part of the object. So you can see that some part of our text is out. So let's close the mask. Let's remove the mask. Alright, we have the mask. You can see it's back. And here we have the font. Here you can choose which font you want to use. Let's use this. Alright. And here we have bold. Sorry, we have style. This style here we have bold, we have italic and underline. And the T here cancels all the style you've added to the text. So let's leave it bold. And here we have curve, which enables you to curve the text. So you can see it enables you to curve the text. Welcome to class. Alright, and we have background. You can give background to your text here. You can add color to the background, choose which color the background will be. Let's use it color. And here we have align. You can align your work to the left, the right, or the middle. Then spacing here, you can space your word, the letters and the words. Alright, and here we have line spacing, which is spacing between two lines. You have stroke here, so you can choose color of the stroke. You can see it. You can increase the width of the stroke here. And here we have the shadow, the inner shadow, the emboss, which creates a 3D object like this. And here we have perspective, which changes the perspective of the object. You can see it. Alright, here we have 3D rotate, which flips the object. Here we have 3D text, which you can use to write 3D text. We have 3D shadow here and reflection. So down here, what else? Okay, we have draw here, which you can use to draw on the screen. You can basically draw anything on the screen. Cancel. Okay. So we have shapes here. You can take any shape, choose the type of shape you want. Let's go circle or star. Okay, you can basically choose any shape here. So let's just choose circle. And that is shape. This is position. You can position it relative size, where you can reduce the size of the shape. And this is color, texture, and the rest. So basically this is all about introduction to Pixellab, and we'll go on the next topic, which is the color theory and typography. So that is all you have to know about Pixellab. Thank you for sticking around.